Hi everyone, I'm Dylan with Bertet Builders, CEO and founder, here to show you one of our new builds. Come take a look. The base of our build is this early 50s California ranch-style house that's suffering from a completely outdated kitchen, shag carpets along this way. You'll see some more of the house's problems. We have some water damage in the main bath in the house, floor is rotting out, as well as outdated wallpaper and outdated finishing. What we're gonna do is bring all of this up to a nice modern new construction build, greatly increasing the value of the house and the comfort for those who live here. This is our plan, and our goal is to add 1,500 square feet to the back of the house and completely bring up the level and standard of living in the main existing house. The addition of our new construction home will come along this makeshift border. We will take care of the landscaping all the way across here, complete with an outdoor kitchen and barbecue area, and towards the back, the guest unit over here. The plan thus far is to build a 700 square foot guest unit in this area towards the back of the house for additional square footage and additional value to the house.